I'm telling you guys, this works for me. This works for me. And the day that it doesn't, I'll stop doing it. But I'm telling you right now, I'm loving doing it my way, the unconventional way, or should I say the unconventional way, whatever you want to put it.
Then get up, get dressed.
Hey guys, this will be day 4 of the December Christmas vlog. I'm gonna tell you guys, I have a feeling and I go with my feelings. Y'all already know that. Y'all gonna really get to know me through this month because I'm gonna tell you all of my little hints and tricks and things that are working, and they're unconventional. You have to do what works for you. If you have to do something and you don't like it, but you have to do it, you better figure out a way that's going to be good for you. Okay, I'm getting ready to set myself up to work out, but I'm going to show you how I do that as well. That makes it easier for me. Hi guys, this is my dressing room, and I'm about to work out. So what I do is I turn on the TV and I will put on a movie or watch something on TV, right? And then on my laptop, I will have it on my desk facing me, and I have my workout regimen going on my laptop. So while I am doing my exercises or whatever I'm doing, guys, I will do my face. So I'm just working out, doing my face, doing all of my facial exercises, you know. And so then I'm knocking out basically 2 birds with 1 stone. Guys, being conventional just doesn't work for me. So I know, I learned this about me a long time ago. I am a multitasker. And I have to be doing like 2 or 3 things at one time. But that works for me. That works for me. If I'm not, multitasking, I'm not comfortable with it. So like I said, I will be watching a movie, doing my exercises, not only for my body, but for my face. And a lot of times I will get up in the morning when I cleanse my face, I will put my hair products on my hair. So my hair will be moisturized, and I'll let the product do whatever it's going to do, for my hair and everything. By the time I'm done working out, a lot of times, guys, my hair be done, especially if I'm going to wear curly that day, but we're going to get into that too. So when I wake up in the morning, I have a lot of things that I do all at one time. Now, I showed you what I do with my face, right? This is toner. Okay, so guys, this is a face serum, and it's a hyaluronic acid anti-aging face serum. Hyaluronic acid, it helps, hold in the moisture, basically. So because I am about to go work out, in my room, and I'm going to show y'all this. So that was the end of that routine. So I have done 2 already. Now I'm going to do the lowering the blood sugar, like 10-minute workout. I'm telling you guys, this works for me. This works for me. And the day that it doesn't, I'll stop doing it. But I'm telling you right now, I'm loving doing it my way, the unconventional way, or should I say the unconventional way, whatever you want to put it. I like to put some type of slippage on my face. And it's a reason for that. It's a reason for that. I like to put it on my face and neck. Yeah. And anything extra I have, I put it on my hands. Okay, guys, so here's where the magic happened. One of the ways the magic happened. You see this? This is a Regina. Can you hear it? This is a Regina face washer. You put your little scrub pad on there. Okay, you put your scrub pad on there. And it has 3 different speeds on here. And to promote collagen and the firmness of my face. I don't use this to wash my face. I use this to massage my face. Whoop! If you're getting jowls, or if you're getting, laugh lines, if you want to get rid of that double chin, if you're getting forehead lines, if up in here you see sagging up in here, and you hear it evaporates, right? So we're going to do a facial. That's going to be one of the videos that I'm going to bring to you guys. We're going to do a facial routine of how I do my face. So while I'm working out, I need to have some type of smoothness on my skin to, to massage my face. And when I don't use my hands in the workout, then I'm massaging my face, getting my face ready for my morning facial routine. Now the thing about this, what I was telling y'all earlier, yeah, this is a Regina face washer, and it has 3 speeds on it. And I use it to, when I'm working out, I'm still doing my workout. I'm massaging my face, and I'm drinking my water. And I'm gonna tell you, this is just the way I love to do it. This is me. This is me. If this is not you, then don't do it. But if you feel like you need to find a way to get things done, and the conventional way is not working for you, you better come up with your way. I'm telling you right now, especially if it's important. And it goes deeper than what I just showed you today, guys. But like I said, I am going to do a video on how I take care of my face. It is important that you watch that video if you're thinking about starting to massage your face, because more go into it than what I just showed you that you're going to need to know. And I watch a movie, I work out, I massage my face, and also I put products on my hair, guys, to see how my hair is going to take. So I'll get up in the morning, wash my face, I'll spray my hair with our concoction. We got a few of those for our hair, but whatever one I choose for that day, and I put on whatever product that I am going to set my hair with. And all while I'm working out, guys, my hair is curling up, my body is getting right, I'm toning my face, and that's what works for me. So guys, I'm telling you right now, stop being so conventional with how you think things should go. No, sometimes unconventional will fit you better than conventional. The other things I do, guys, is go by feelings. I go by feelings. Okay, I did my room, right? I did my room. I had everything in here that I needed for my room. But then I started adding more things, and I started feeling claustrophobic. So just yesterday, we took a rug back, right? I had 2 big rugs in here because one, my dog liked one, and then the other one, it was just for me. But it was just too much. It's too much. So I went on and got rid of that rug. I went on and took it back. Once I bought it and brought it here, I didn't like it on my floor, so I took it back. All right, you see, he done already made himself at home. And it's like, woo-sa, I just felt better. I have a basket over here that I really, really don't like. Isn't that pretty? That's a beautiful basket, but I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it right there. I don't want it in here. So I'm getting rid of that. So like I said, I'm gonna get ready to do my workout, guys. Come back and visit me. I will be doing a video every day for you guys in the month of December. We're going to talk about everything. We're going to talk about our skin. I got packages coming to show you guys some of the things that I bought, the sales that I find. We're going to be mixing up some more stuff for our hair, the hair concoctions that I got going on, because y'all know my favorite one. So if y'all thinking about doing the hair concoctions, I'm going to tell you right now, go to the Dollar Tree and get your condiment bottles, the ketchup and mustard bottles, because you're going to need that for the concoctions. And we're just going to get this going. Guys, we're going to get this going. For newcomers, you have found the place to be. For my ride or dies, hey, how y'all doing? Let's get this popping, because I'm going to share everything for you guys on my Christmas vlog in December. So guys, you have reached Regina TV. Remember, do things your way. Conventional may not always work for you. You have reached Regina TV. You guys know I appreciate you. Thank you for coming by, spending this time with me. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share, guys. Hit the notification bell down below, because I will be bringing you a video every day in December. So, guys, guess what? I'll catch you in the next video. Mwah. Bear with me. Don't gotta worry for the both of us.